It may be winter, but the system needs the air conditioning system for the defroster. Why shouldn't a customer wait to repair this if the condenser is damaged? Well, we're going to find out why next.
This video is sponsored by Nissan, innovation that excites. Visit partsadvantage.nissanusa.com for more information.
The condenser is the most vulnerable part of the air conditioning system. In the wintertime, well, it can be subjected to salt, snow, ice, and in general just snow drifts that it could hit and become damaged. If a customer notices that their air conditioning isn't working or it takes a longer amount of time to defrost the windows, you might need to check the air conditioning system. Also, as a side note, some Nissans will actually set a code if the air conditioning is not working properly or it does not detect the right pressures. To test the AC system for a leak, there's a couple different ways to do it. You can use a dye, you can use a halon detector, and also most AC machines have a decay mode that can measure if the system is leaking. With these systems, it's critical that the AC is operating during the wintertime. If it's left not working in the wintertime, well, the oil can condense in certain areas, and when it's repaired, well, you can actually slug the compressor because that AC refrigerant and also the oil is trapped in the system in the wrong areas. If you're servicing the system, make sure you're replacing the receiver dryer so it can help filter out moisture inside the refrigerant. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.